Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to show you magic of makeup, how you can change the shape of your eye just with eyeshadow. And I know I've done a lot of tutorials on hooded eyes, but this doesn't matter what shape your eye is, you can always change it. So you can make it more hooded if you wanted to. But if you do have hooded eyes, both of these looks will look good as well. So I will do two different eyes. I will do this one maybe more like a cat eye and this a bit more rounded and smoky. For this eye I'm going to use the Macgrath, the Love collection that came out a while ago. I just haven't used it for a while, so I thought I'd use it today. And on this eye I might use this one as well, or the Sigma Hazy, just because I like this matte beige shadow. On the Rifa 01 I'm going to take the Eternal Love. I think that's what it is. As you know, they're usually back to front. The names are on the back. And I'm going to pat it first all over my mobile lid. Not completely into the inner corner. And as you can see, I'm doing it in like a windshield wiper movement. I'm not going too far out. I'm making my eye a bit more round. And then with whatever I've got left, I'm starting to blend it upwards. I don't want to go too far down because that's where my eye is drooping, so I don't want to emphasize that. And I'm going to repeat that till I get the depth I want. BK Beauty 204, and I'm going to put the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Rifa 02, and now I'm going to go into Bare Venus, this one. And I will just blend this out underneath. Rifa 02 Mini and Candlelight Affair, and I will just tuck it here in my inner corner. On the inner mobile lid as well. Charlotte Tilbury Eye Cheat, and I'm going to, it's like a flesh coloured liner. Just gonna open up the eye a bit and make it maybe even more rounder. And if you want to make your eye rounder, when you're doing the underneath with the eyeshadow, do it tighter here and right in the middle go a bit lower. So shade it a bit lower and then go up. That will make your eye a bit bigger. Well, rounder shape. Now I'm going to put mascara on. And I will also use false lashes. These are called Vegas. They are from BK Beauty and Risada's Makeup. When you're putting the eyelashes on, once they stuck on, make sure you push them up at the base so they are up. and that will make your eye look bigger. So that's the one shape. Let's do this one. On this I'm going to use the Sigma Hazy palette, and first I'm going to take Petal on Rifa 13, and I'm going to go in my crease, well, create a crease. So remember, when you've got this fold here near your nose, start from there, and then when I get to the top, I'm going to try to bring it a bit more towards the tail of my brow, and then I'm going to blend it upwards. So I'm going quite high up. Now I'm taking Rifa 03 and I'm going to go into Vervain, and I'm going to define this line a bit better underneath. And then blend it out a bit. Rifa 28, I'm going to Dainty, it's a matte shadow, and I'm going to apply it right under this crease, all on my mobile lid. I'm going to extend it to the tail of my brow. Now I'm going to take, I don't know, I've got a card here, put it on my lower lash line, line it up with the end of this. I'm going back to Petal, and I'm going to draw that line. You can do it different way. I will link you a video here where I did how to fake cat eye. It's probably easier for those who are not that experienced, because when you're doing this you don't see what's going on here. So if you're doing both eyes, you can change the angle slightly and then they will look different. With the other method is a bit more foolproof. So now I have that sketched out. I'm going to go to Melancholy with Holo P66, and I'm going to just shade this corner. I'm almost creating like a triangle. And I'm putting this cream shade in between these two lanes. So it looks something like this. Now I'm going to apply black eyeliner into the inner upper corner. And then all the way on my bottom lash line. And I'm even going to flick it following the eyeshadow, and then I'm going to shade a bit on my eyelid, smudge it. I've got this pencil that is no longer available. I don't think it's Master Smoky from Maybelline that has a smudger, but you can smudge it just with a pencil brush. Then go over with this eyeshadow, the Melancholy as well. just barely touching it. Now I'm going to scrub this a bit in my eyelashes as well and blend it out so it looks a bit smokier on the bottom. And then I will apply mascara and different eyelashes. I will apply the Martinis from BK Beauty because these are only the outer corner lashes, so it will emphasize this shape even more. So what do you think? Can you see how different both eyes look? And you can make your eye to any shape you really want. It's just playing with light and shadow. Let me know which one is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.